Yeah? There we go. No, 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 nice rooster. Nice. Nugget, nice. He's nice. He's being nice. No, don't have a go at him. Come on, we're going to go away. Okay, obviously don't want us to be there. He has to deal with lots of things. Hey, come on, Nugget. No, Nugget's going. Hey, fish. Fish. Good boy. Fish. Good boy. Yeah. Come on, you can say hello. No, it's okay. Hello. Cluck, 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 cluck. Good boy. Cluck, 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 cluck. Because it's chickens. Yeah. Ooh, ooh, ooh. No. That was just the wind. It's okay. That was just the wind. Okay, don't worry. Don't worry. Oh, you good boy. Good boy, fish. Good boy. He doesn't want to get you. That's it. Good boy. Just the wind. Okay? Hey, fish. Just the wind. You got scared too. He got scared too. Come here. Nugget, Molly. Here. You can say hello. Yeah, you can say hello. Come on. Buffy. Buffy, come. Buffy's very friendly. No, just gentle, gentle. Come, you can smell. Yeah, you can smell. That's it. There we go. Hi, Buff. Hey, Buff. Buff is nice. Fish is nice. He doesn't like that, see? She doesn't like that. So we have to be nice. Yeah, good boy. Yeah. No, sit. It's not a... It's... There we go. No. Fish. Be a good boy. That's Buffy. Chicky chicks. Hello. It's nice and warm there, huh? Hey, where are you? There's the chickies. Look. You see the chickies? Do you see the chickies? You're not bothered. Look. Look. Fish. Look at the chickies. He's just having a pee. Not bothered at all. Desensitizing himself to it. The fish and the chickies. Fish, what are you looking at? Oh, it's the chickens. Hello, chickens. Hello. Hey, fish, are you even bothered? You just want the food. That's all he cares about. Forget about the chickens. There we go. Yeah? That's it, little guy. That's how we just get used to the chickens. Here we go. Thinking it through, huh? Fish. You thinking it through? I just want that food. Fish. Good boy. Good boy. Mwah. Good boy. I know all you want is the food and the poop. No, I don't want you to get used to eating their food. Good boy. Oh, my knee. Oh, I gotta turn this off. Eh? Good boy.